A lot of comments I get from the users. What is RAG? What is RAG? What is RAG? Let me give you a clear answer. RAG stands from Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It simply means the RAG tells the AI, give the relevant answer from my document. Let us understand with a real life example. Imagine you have a book. If I ask you a question, what does you do? You first search the book, then find the correct page, and finally give the answer. That's exactly how RAG works. It has three main steps: data source, retriever, and generator. In the data source, there is your data. It can be text, PDF, website, notes, books, anything. And the retriever finds the relevant data for the user questions and send it to the generator. In the generator, there is AI model who is generate human-like text after seeing this relevant data. So in the next video, we'll make a real RAG-based chatbot. Let us catch up here in the next video.